ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಡಳಿತ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕರಾವಳಿ ಉತ್ಸವ ಕಳೆದ ಹಲವಾರು ದಿವಸಗಳಿಂದ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಶಸ್ವಿನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೂತ್ರಧಾರಿಗಳು, ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೈಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ವಂದನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೀಗ ಶ್ವಾನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸುವಂತಹ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶ್ವಾನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello, hi, and welcome you all on this beautiful evening. Well, we all have gathered here for the District Administration, Dakshina Kannada Jilla Panchayat, Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services presents District Level Dog Show 2025. And ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a most awaited event that we all were eagerly waiting for. All right. So with this, I would like to introduce to all of you today's judges. So please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen.
ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಉತ್ಸವ ಸಮಿತಿದು. ಸೊ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪಪೀಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಜೊತೆಯಾದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮೆನ್, ಸಾಗರದ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಿದರೆ ಸಿಗುವುದು ಚಿಪ್ಪು, ಅದೇ ಸಾಗರದ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಿದರೆ ಸಿಗುವುದು ಮುತ್ತು. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುತ್ತುಗಳು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಪೀಸ್ಗಳು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುತ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುವ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ category 6 to 11 months category. So please be ready for the next category.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have at batch number 1.
Once again, to all the lovely puppies here under 3 to 6 months category who's just showcased their talent and they're already being judged now. A big round of applause they deserve.
ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಶ್ವಾನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ. 3 ರಿಂದ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ
Goes to batch number 13.
ಓಕೆ, ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಐವನ್ ಡಿಸೋಸ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣೆಯನ್ನ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ನ ಶಾಸಕರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಐವನ್ ಡಿಸೋಸ್ ಅವರು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕರಾವಳಿ ಉತ್ಸವ 2024 ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಶ್ವಾನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ 3 to 6 month ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯ ಮೊದಲ ರೌಂಡ್ ನ ವಿಜೇತರಿಗೆ ಐವನ್ ಡಿಸೋಸ್ ಅವರು ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ವಿತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು
batch number 13, that is Praveen Carlo.
Third prize goes to Praveen Carlo.
4th prize goes to batch number 14, that is Praveen Carlo. 5th prize goes to batch number 15, that is Praveen Carlo. 6th prize goes to batch number 16, that is Praveen Carlo. 7th prize goes to batch number 18, that is Praveen Carlo. 8th prize goes to batch number 19, that is Praveen Carlo. 9th prize goes to batch number 20, that is Praveen Carlo. 10th prize goes to batch number 21, that is Praveen Carlo. 11th prize goes to batch number 22, that is Praveen Carlo. 12th prize goes to batch number 23, that is Praveen Carlo. 13th prize goes to batch number 24, that is Praveen Carlo. 14th prize goes to batch number 15, that is Praveen Carlo. 15th prize goes to batch number 16, that is Praveen Carlo. 16th prize goes to batch number 17, that is Praveen Carlo. 17th And the second prize goes to batch number 4. Batch number 4, Gilbert Urwa. The breed is Akita. And the first prize goes to batch number 3, Sukesh Shetty, Caravan Horn. Please give them a quick round of applause.
ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುಕೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಜೇತರಿಗೆ MLC ಐವನ್ ಡಿಸೋಜ್ ಅವರು ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು.
Here we are witnessing a very beautiful public category 6 to 12 months and German Shepherd, Great Danes, and very few Siberian Husky. And so please give one round, please. The hope judges are watching now. Please go one round. Okay. Chocho and Lasapso, German Shepherd and Akita and German Shepherd, Miniature Pinscher, Siberian Husky and Yellow Akita, proud indie breeds also witnessing our show today. And German Shepherd is showing in the ring. Please note.
Yes. I want all the viewers, it is indeed a spectacular moment for all of us. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Everybody a big round of applause they definitely deserve. So this is 6 to 12 months category. Take a round. So everyone please enjoy the show.
ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ
The second prize goes to batch number 62.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮುಖಂಡರು ಪದ್ಮರಾಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ.
And ladies and gentlemen, the first prize goes to batch number 54. The owner is Yashas Kotari. The breed is German Shepherd. I repeat, the third prize, batch number 65. The second prize, batch number 62. The first prize, batch number 54.
ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇ
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the Rottweilers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the results with the Rottweiler category. The third prize goes to
Winner of all the categories. I want everyone to kindly stay back. We have one final round for all the first prize winners of all the categories. Hence, I request the pet parents of the winner pet to kindly stay back for the final round.
Police Dakshin Kannada. I request you to kindly give away the prizes in the pug category, sir. The third prize winner of the pug category 142 Aditi. The second prize winner 116 Gautam, and the first prize winner 133 Preetham. The next category of exhibit is Belgian Melanis. I request all the owners to come inside the ring. The batch number 97, 104 and 131.
Meanwhile, I request all the viewers to kindly cheer for all the winners. A big round of applause they definitely deserve. And also, this is the breed pug. We are now moving on to the next.
Avina 97 and 104 Mr. Sunil Katpadi and 131 Mr. Kiran. I request all the owners of Bedpet, please be ready. Please give them a round of applause, please. The very sturdy, active breed, which is used in the police department and defense very widely. Minpin owners, come inside the ring, please. Minpin owners. Minpin owners, the batch number 172, 184, 194 and 204. Mr. Rajesh and 204 Harsha Vardhan.
As you can see, the beauties walking here. I want everyone gathered here. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. If you all keep your energies high, I'm sure it will definitely motivate and encourage all of us. The main motive of this dog show is only because it's an opportunity for all the pet parents to showcase their pets, and also it's a gathering for all of us. After a very long break, finally we are here doing the pet show. And all the pet lovers are gathered here in this.
Results in the pavilion category. I request Dr. Anand sir, CEO Jilla Panchayat, Bangalore, to kindly give away the prizes in the pavilion category.
I request her to kindly come forward and hand over the prizes to the winners. It is now time to know the winner of Pomeranian category, and we have like 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you the smallest breed, I can say, that is Chihuahua. A big round of applause. The little one, as you can see in the baby girl's hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for these two breeds, the Caravan Horn and Chihuahua. The Caravan Horn belongs to Mr. Bharat Prasad, the batch number 171, and Chihuahua belongs to Suprabha Shetty, batch number 153. I request the next category of exhibit Dachshund owners, please be ready.
You can see the LED screens also if you can't see it clear here. This is Chihuahua. Caravan Horn and Chihuahua.
I request the owners of Caravan Horn and Chihuahua to come to the
Guys,
podium, please.
yes. I request both of them to come to the podium. The best sending dogs, as we all know.
Dashan owners, batch number 129, Mr. Rajesh. 145, Mr. Amit. 159, Kishore. 170, Tanisha. And 200, Mr. Praveen.
Actually, these dash and dogs are also being used for hunting because it is very good at sniffing. So these are the dash and dogs. They are the best scenting dogs. They can smell anything very easily and identify. So they were also being used for hunting purpose also to identify certain things. It's an expert in this is the next category, that is Cocker Spaniel. A big round of applause they deserve. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, such a cute dog ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. There is only one participant under this category, poodle category. Batch number 185. Alright, I want you all to make some noise for beagles. Come on, everyone. Yes, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Along with the pet parents, you can also see the beagles here. I request you all to keep your dog towards your left side.
Parade exhibit number 141, 132. Please come out to the ring. Exhibit number 141 and 132. Mixed breed category. Exhibit number 141 and 132. Please come to the ring. We request Dr. Anand sir, CEO of the Jilla Panchayat, to hand over the prizes for the category Golden Retriever. The third place goes to the exhibit number 72. The third place goes to the exhibit number 72. The second place goes to the exhibit number 210. Exhibit number 210, the second place. And the first place is grabbed by the exhibit number 137. We have 137 grabbing the first place.
Owners who has not exhibited here to kindly go towards the registration counter. Okay, can you all hear a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? I want everyone to clap, clap, clap and clap for all these lovelies here.
We have lovely dogs, the passionate, the friendly Labradors.
Come on everyone, a round of applause.
Exhibit number 110, 109, 128, German Shepherd Cat.
Batch number 109, everyone.
Look, yes,
Super, I want everyone to clap. Clap and clap. Come on everyone. Wonderful. It's going to be a great show. Up next, batch number 110, everyone. That's all cheering up on top. The batch number 110. Up next, the next number 121, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together. 121.
Be there in the ring, man.
I want everyone to take a round, all together, a circle.
A round of, and a round of applause.
Yes,
For the
it's all
beautiful-
on the Chapali. I want everyone to clap, clap, clap and clap for this German Shepherd breed, everyone, under the entrance category. All the little ones, all the girls, they are all well dressed. Like I told you, the next category, the breed Shih Tzu. Lovely.
Love it. We have the beautiful companion dog. The smooth, shiny coated, the American Bully.
ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು 1 hour ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
We request all. We have different breeds of dogs, as they are one in the category. They have brought all together in one. We have a famous, the pride of Karnataka, the Mughal Hound.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
We have the Siberian Husky,